Okay, so get this. We're diving into how AI is impacting Ayurveda,
Yeah.
ancient healing practices, meeting futuristic tech. It's kind of wild.
Yeah, it is pretty wild.
Our main source for this deep dive is this essay, Uses and Relevance of Artificial Intelligence in Ayurveda.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty dense, so we're going to try to pull out the cool stuff for you.
Yeah.
I think personalized healthcare
Yeah.
and like the quest for what they call functional aging. It's very...
It's interesting how AI is being used to like analyze all that knowledge
Right.
contained in these traditional Ayurvedic texts. I mean, these texts are centuries old
Yeah.
and difficult even for like seasoned practitioners to grasp fully. But AI, with its ability to like process language
Yeah.
and spot patterns, can help unlock these like,
Almost like hidden secrets.
yeah, hidden gems within these texts.
Yeah, so it's like it's giving us a new lens
Exactly.
to view this ancient wisdom through.
Yeah.
Which is really cool.
Like, for example, researchers are using AI to understand the relationships between specific herbs and different body constitutions, or prakriti.
Yeah, I was going to ask about that.
Yeah, and this is leading to more personalized recommendations for herbal remedies,
Well,
fine-tuned to an individual's needs.
that's incredible. It's like having a personalized herbal pharmacy
Yeah,
at your fingertips.
exactly.
That's really cool. But one thing I found really interesting was this concept of ayurgenomics
Oh, yeah.
that the essay mentions. It sounds very complex.
It is complex, but incredibly exciting.
Yeah.
Ayurgenomics is essentially using AI to understand your prakriti
Okay.
at a genetic level.
Wow.
Imagine knowing your genetic predispositions towards certain imbalances. Ayurgenomics allows AI to create a personalized care plan
Uh-huh.
that addresses these potential issues before they even arise.
Wow.
It's all about prevention rather than reaction.
That's amazing. Instead of waiting for things to go wrong,
Exactly.
we could be taking proactive steps to stay healthy.
Mm-hmm.
It's like AI is giving us a glimpse into the future.
Yeah. In a way, it is. And this ties into the idea of functional aging
Right.
that the essay explores.
Okay.
We often think of aging as this inevitable decline,
Yeah.
but functional aging is about maximizing our health span,
Okay.
not just our lifespan.
I like that.
Yeah, AI is helping us understand how we can age in a healthy and vibrant way,
Okay.
using insights from both modern research
Right.
and ancient Ayurvedic practices.
So it's not about stopping the clock,
No,
but about aging gracefully
exactly.
in a way that supports our well-being.
Precisely. AI can analyze massive data sets of patient information,
Right.
lifestyle factors, and even genetic predispositions to suggest personalized interventions that could promote healthy aging.
Right.
It's about making informed choices,
Okay.
backed by data and tailored to your unique constitution.
I'm starting to see how AI could really personalize this approach to aging, but how does this actually play out
Yeah.
in the real world? Are there any examples of this happening already?
Absolutely. For example, some clinics are using AI-powered tools to analyze patients' sleep patterns, dietary habits, and stress levels,
Wow.
all factors that Ayurveda considers crucial for healthy aging.
Okay.
The AI then suggests personalized recommendations
Okay.
based on these factors, incorporating Ayurvedic principles like dinacharya, the daily routine, and ritucharya,
Okay.
the seasonal routine.
So it's not just about popping supplements or something. It's
Right.
about integrating these ancient practices into our lives
Yeah.
in a way that's tailored to our needs.
Exactly. And what's really exciting is that AI can help make these ancient practices more accessible
Okay.
to people who might not have considered them before.
Interesting.
Imagine an AI-powered app that guides you through a personalized morning routine
Okay.
based on your prakriti and the current season,
Uh-huh.
incorporating yoga breathing exercises and even dietary recommendations.
That would be awesome.
Yeah?
It's like having a personal Ayurvedic coach again
Exactly.
in your pocket. But what about the role of practitioners in all of this? Does AI replace the need for like human interaction and expertise?
That's a great question, and one that often comes up when we talk about AI in healthcare.
Yeah.
I see AI as a powerful tool that can enhance the role of practitioners,
Okay.
not replace them.
Got it.
It can help them analyze vast amounts of data, personalize treatments,
Right.
and even track patient progress more effectively.
Okay.
But ultimately, it's the practitioner who brings the human touch, the empathy,
Yeah.
and the wisdom to guide the patient on their healing journey.
So it's not about AI versus humans.
Right.
It's about AI and humans working together
Exactly.
to create a more holistic
Yeah.
and personalized approach to healthcare.
Exactly. AI can handle the data crunching, but it's the practitioner who understands the nuances of the individual patient, their unique needs, and their personal goals.
Right.
It's a partnership, not a replacement.
This is all incredibly fascinating. I love how AI is not only helping us understand the complexities of Ayurveda, but also making it more practical,
Yeah.
applicable to our modern lives.
Right.
It's like bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern technology in a way that benefits everyone.
Yeah.
What other areas is AI being used to advance the field of Ayurveda?
One area that I found particularly promising is drug discovery
Okay.
and development.
Okay.
AI can be used to analyze the chemical compositions of thousands of Ayurvedic herbs and formulations,
Wow.
potentially identifying new applications for existing remedies or even discovering entirely new therapeutic compounds.
So we could be on the verge of a whole new wave
Yeah, potentially.
of Ayurvedic medicines and treatments thanks to AI.
It's definitely a possibility, and it's not just about creating new drugs.
Okay.
AI can also help ensure the safety and efficacy
Right.
of existing Ayurvedic treatments by analyzing patient data
Okay.
and tracking outcomes. AI can help identify potential drug interactions or adverse effects that might not be immediately apparent.
So it's like AI is acting as a safety net,
Exactly.
ensuring that these ancient remedies are used responsibly
Yes.
and effectively in a modern context.
Exactly. And this is particularly important. As Ayurveda gains popularity
Right.
in the global market, AI can help standardize the production and quality control
Okay.
of Ayurvedic medicines,
Okay.
ensuring consistency and safety for consumers worldwide.
It sounds like AI is not just impacting how Ayurveda is practiced,
Yeah,
but also how it's integrated into the global healthcare landscape.
exactly.
That's a pretty significant impact.
It is, and it speaks to the growing recognition of Ayurveda's potential to address some of the most pressing health challenges we face today, from chronic diseases
Right.
to mental health issues to the quest for healthy aging.
Yeah, it's almost like AI is helping to bring Ayurveda to the forefront of modern medicine,
It is.
allowing it to really shine in a way that it hasn't been able to before.
That's a great way to put it. AI is acting as a catalyst,
Yeah.
helping to unlock the full potential of Ayurveda and share its wisdom with the world.
This is all so exciting. It
Yeah.
feels like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible when you combine the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda
Yeah.
with the power of AI.
Yeah.
I'm eager to learn more about the practical applications and the potential impact this could have on healthcare as a whole.
Definitely.
But I think we've covered a lot of ground in this first part of our deep dive.
We've explored how AI is being used to personalize treatments, decode ancient texts, enhance drug discovery, and even promote healthy aging. It's clear that AI is playing an increasingly important role in the world of Ayurveda, opening up new possibilities and bringing this ancient system of healing into the 21st century.
It's been an eye-opening conversation, and I can't wait to continue exploring this topic in our next segment. We'll delve deeper into the real-world applications of AI and Ayurveda, looking at specific examples of how this technology is being used to transform healthcare. And we'll also discuss the potential challenges and opportunities that lie ahead as this fusion of ancient wisdom and modern technology continues to evolve.
Yeah.
So stay tuned because there's much more to discover.
I look forward to it's an exciting time to be witnessing this convergence of Ayurveda and AI. The possibilities are truly endless.
They are.
And the potential impact goes like way beyond just individual health.
Okay.
We're seeing AI being used to analyze large-scale population data,
Okay.
helping researchers identify trends
Right.
and patterns related to lifestyle disease prevalence,
Okay.
and even the effectiveness of like different Ayurvedic interventions.
So AI is helping us understand not just how Ayurveda works for a single person,
Right.
but how it can impact public health
Exactly.
as a whole. That's really cool.
Yeah, imagine using AI to track the spread of certain diseases
Okay.
and then identify areas where specific Ayurvedic interventions could be implemented to like mitigate outbreaks or improve community health outcomes.
Right.
It's about using data to make more informed decisions.
Okay.
On a population level, drawing on that wisdom of Ayurveda to create healthier communities.
That sounds really powerful.
It is.
Like a proactive approach to public health rather than just like reacting to crises as they come up.
Exactly.
Right.
And that's not just about addressing physical health either.
Okay.
AI is also being used to analyze like the mental and emotional well-being of populations,
Okay.
using Ayurvedic principles to identify potential risk factors for things like stress, anxiety, and depression.
So AI could help us identify communities or individuals
Yeah.
who might benefit from specific Ayurvedic interventions for mental health.
Exactly.
That's huge, especially with the rising rates of mental health challenges
Absolutely.
that we're seeing globally.
AI can help us move from a reactive model of mental health care to a more proactive and preventative approach,
Right.
using Ayurvedic tools like meditation yoga and lifestyle modifications to promote mental well-being on a larger scale.
This is starting to feel like a paradigm shift
Yeah.
in how we think about healthcare. Instead of just treating diseases, we're talking about using AI and Ayurveda
Right.
to create a healthier and more resilient society.
Precisely. And this ties into the concept of swasthavrita,
Okay.
which in Ayurveda refers to the principles of healthy living. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports physical, mental, and spiritual well-being.
Okay.
AI can play a key role in helping us understand and implement these principles in a way that's tailored to our modern lives.
It's like AI is giving us a personalized roadmap for healthy living,
Exactly.
drawing on the wisdom of Ayurveda, adapting it to our needs.
Imagine an AI-powered app that analyzes your daily routine,
Okay.
sleep patterns, dietary habits, stress levels, and then suggests personalized recommendations based on Ayurvedic principles to optimize your well-being.
That would be amazing.
Yeah.
Like having a personal Ayurvedic advisor guiding you towards a healthier lifestyle.
Exactly, but what about the practicalities of all of this?
Yeah.
How are these AI-powered tools
Right.
and applications actually being developed and implemented?
It's a good question.
There's a lot of exciting work happening in this space.
Okay.
For instance, researchers are developing AI algorithms that can analyze images of the tongue,
Interesting.
which is a key diagnostic tool in Ayurveda to identify potential imbalances
Right.
and recommend personalized treatments.
So AI is helping to modernize
Yeah.
and refine even the most traditional Ayurvedic diagnostic methods.
Exactly, and it's not just about diagnosis. AI is also being used to personalize the preparation and dosage of Ayurvedic medicines,
Okay.
taking into account factors like body weight, age,
Right.
and individual sensitivities.
So it's about ensuring that these ancient remedies are used safely and effectively
Precisely.
in a modern context.
And it goes beyond that. AI is also being used to develop personalized yoga and meditation practices based on an individual's prakriti and their specific needs.
Wow.
Yeah.
So AI is helping to tailor these ancient practices to the individual, making them more accessible and effective.
And this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Wow.
We're just beginning to explore the potential of AI to enhance and expand the world of Ayurveda.
It's incredibly exciting to think about all the possibilities.
Yeah,
But as with any new technology, there are also potential challenges and considerations.
of course.
What are some of the things we need to be mindful of
Yeah.
as AI becomes more integrated into Ayurveda?
One key consideration is data privacy and security.
Right.
As AI relies heavily on personal data,
Yeah.
it's crucial to ensure that this information is handled responsibly and ethically.
Right.
We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations to protect patient privacy and prevent the misuse of sensitive data.
So it's about ensuring that the benefits of AI don't come at the expense of individual privacy.
Exactly.
and autonomy.
And another important consideration is the potential for bias
Okay.
in AI algorithms.
Right.
If these algorithms are trained on biased data,
Yeah.
they can perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities in healthcare.
So we need to ensure that these AI systems are developed and implemented in a way that's fair and equitable for everyone.
Absolutely. And that requires diverse teams of developed researchers and practitioners who are mindful of these potential biases and committed to creating AI solutions that benefit all members of society.
It's clear that there's a lot of responsibility that comes with this technology.
Yeah.
But it also feels like an incredible opportunity to create a more equitable and accessible healthcare system.
It is.
One that draws on the wisdom of both ancient traditions and modern innovation.
I couldn't agree more. This fusion of Ayurveda and AI has the potential to transform not just how we treat diseases, but how we think about health and well-being as a whole. It's about empowering individuals to take control of their health make informed choices, and live their lives to the fullest.
This has been an incredibly insightful conversation, and I'm already feeling more informed and empowered just from our discussion.
Great.
I'm eager to see how this fusion of Ayurveda and AI continues to evolve and shape the future of healthcare. But I think we've covered a lot of ground.
We have.
In this second part of our deep dive, we've explored the impact of AI on public health, the role of AI in promoting Swasavrita, the practical applications of AI in Ayurveda, and the ethical considerations we need to be mindful of.
It's a lot.
Yeah, it is.
It's very interesting, though.
It is a lot to think about.
It is a lot to think about.
Yeah.
And in our final segment, we'll shift our focus to the future.
Okay.
We'll explore the potential long-term implications of AI in Ayurveda.
The emerging trends that are shaping the field and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead as this fusion of ancient wisdom and modern technology continues to unfold.
I'm looking forward to it. The future of Ayurveda in the age of AI is brimming with potential.
It is. Okay, so we've talked about how AI is personalizing treatments and decoding ancient texts and even like helping us understand Ayurveda on like a population level.
Right.
But what about the really big picture? How might this fusion of Ayurveda and AI impact our overall understanding of health and wellness like?
Yeah, that's where things get really interesting.
Yeah.
Ayurveda at its heart is a system of observation.
Right.
It's about noticing those subtle changes in the body and mind, understanding the interconnectedness of everything, and seeking balance. AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of data, could like amplify this observational power in ways we can't even imagine yet.
So AI could be like a superpowered magnifying glass, allowing us to see those subtle connections and patterns that we might otherwise miss.
Exactly. Imagine AI helping us to track not just our physical symptoms, but also our emotional states, energy levels, and even our responses to different environments.
Right.
It could create a truly holistic picture of our well-being.
Wow.
One that goes far beyond the traditional medical model.
That's a fascinating thought. It's like AI could help us develop a whole new language for understanding our bodies and minds. But what about like the practical implications of that? How might this change how we approach healthcare?
One possibility is that AI could help us move from a disease-focused model of healthcare to a wellness-focused one.
Interesting.
Instead of just treating symptoms, we could use AI and Ayurveda to identify and address the root causes of imbalance, preventing disease before it even arises.
So it's about shifting from a reactive approach to a proactive one.
Exactly. Instead of waiting for things to go wrong, we could be actively cultivating health and well-being.
And this could have like profound implications for our healthcare system.
It could.
Imagine a world where healthcare providers are incentivized not just to treat illness, but to actually promote wellness.
Yeah, where our health records don't just document our diseases, but track our progress towards optimal well-being.
That would be a huge shift.
It would.
It's almost like flipping the script on how we think about healthcare.
Yeah.
But what role would Ayurveda play in this new paradigm?
Well, Ayurveda provides a framework for understanding the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. It emphasizes the importance of lifestyle factors like diet, sleep, exercise, stress management, which are often overlooked in conventional medicine. AI could help us personalize these Ayurvedic principles, making them more accessible and effective for everyone.
So AI could help us integrate the wisdom of Ayurveda into our daily lives.
Exactly.
In a way that's tailored to our needs and goals.
Imagine an AI-powered app that analyzes your lifestyle genetics and even your emotional patterns, and then suggests personalized recommendations for diet, exercise, meditation, and other Ayurvedic practices.
That would be incredible.
Yeah, it could be like having a personal Ayurvedic coach in your pocket. Guiding you towards optimal well-being.
It's like AI is giving us the tools to take control of our health and well-being.
Yeah.
In a way that's never been possible before. But are there any downsides to this?
Well,
like, could there be unintended consequences that we need to be aware of?
That's a great question, and it's important to approach any new technology with a critical eye. One potential concern is the risk of over-reliance on AI. Especially if it leads to a neglect of the human element of care. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of the patient-practitioner relationship, which involves empathy, intuition, and a deep understanding of the individual's needs. AI should never replace this human connection.
So it's about finding that right balance.
Exactly.
Using AI to enhance human expertise, not replace it.
And there's also the risk of data privacy and security breaches,
Yeah.
as AI relies heavily on personal data.
Right.
It's crucial to ensure that this information is protected and used responsibly.
Okay.
We need to develop ethical guidelines and regulations for the use of AI in healthcare,
Right.
ensuring that it benefits individuals and society as a whole.
It sounds like a lot of thought and careful planning needs to go into how we integrate AI into Ayurveda.
Absolutely. This is a powerful technology with the potential to transform healthcare
Right.
in profound ways, but it's important to proceed thoughtfully and ethically.
This has been an incredible deep dive into the world of Ayurveda and AI.
It has.
We've covered so much, from personalized treatments
Yeah,
to the potential for a wellness-focused healthcare system.
it's really exciting.
It is. So as we wrap up, is there any final takeaway you'd like to leave our listeners with?
I think the most important thing to remember is that the future of healthcare is not predetermined.
Okay.
It's something we're actively creating through our choices and actions. By embracing the wisdom of Ayurveda and harnessing the power of AI, we have this opportunity to create a future where healthcare is not just about treating diseases,
Okay.
but about cultivating well-being, empowering individuals, and building healthier communities.
That's a great point. I'm
Yeah.
leaving this conversation feeling very inspired and hopeful about the future of health and wellness.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining me on this deep dive.
It's been a pleasure.